Powered by Plascon, today's handy hero comes from Build It Mega Msunduzi in Pietermaritzburg.
Msdunduzi Mega Build It has been running for about 15 years. What I can tell you, the customers here love Msdunduzi Mega Build It for the loyalty that we have and the experience that we have in all different types of hardware. What makes me proud of Msdunduzi Mega Build It is that we give our customers the best experience that we can offer, the knowledge we can offer to them, and the loyalty that they come back all the time to come to Build It and have that fun experience.
The thing that makes us the big hardware store around this area is that we keep a lot of varieties of paints, and we go with our slogan, yes we can. It's the best store to buy Plascon because we keep a lot of variety, from the polyfiller to the Microtex brushes, to the primers, to the universal undercoat, to the top coats. The thing that I like about the Plascon brand is it's a well-known brand. From long time still I was a kid, from our grannies, from generation to generation, like Plascon keep on moving. My favorite Plascon brand is Microtex because it contains its own polyfiller inside, it closes cracks and hairlines, and it's a rough texture, also contains a UV protection.
My DIY tip for painting products is having the right accessories, the right rollers, the right paintbrush, what you need to have before you start painting. Make a list, go down from the list.
Today's handy heroes is powered by Plascon, wall and all. Unmatched dirt, stain, water and fade resistance to keep your walls beautiful for years. Plascon, together we've got this.